House parties are awesome. They often leave behind glorious memories to cherish, along with the mess of greasy pots and pans, spotty dishes and cutleries. Now, the post-party blues start kicking in. Well, not really. Introducing Faber's Dishwasher, a perfect maid that relieves you from the gloomy load of unwashed utensils. Through its frontal control panel, you seamlessly interact with the technology that makes jobs super easy. Its larger capacity allows you the freedom of washing utensils of any shape and size. The spacious lower basket could take all those big, grimy items and could take up to 9 kgs of load. Delicate items such as coffee mugs, plates, glasses and bowls fit seamlessly into the middle basket. Its unique glass and mug placement feature provides that extra space for other utensils. Its adjustable glide rail has a soft close feature so that stack of greasy plates will never bother you. An adjustable cutlery drawer gets you extra room to accommodate all your silverware. For adding detergent, push the release catch to open the detergent dispenser. Pour detergent into the larger cavity as shown. Make sure to add the dishwasher salt to the rinse aid for better cleaning. Once we have loaded our dishwasher up to the hilt, we start our 3D wash technology. Its 3 powerful spray arms systematically wash away those burns and greases. And as the wash cycle ends, you find your dishes and pans spanking clean. For daily usage, when your washing load is comparatively lighter, go zone washing. Single zone or dual zone option not only allows you targeted cleaning but also saves you a lot of time and water. Here, plentiful of functionality features come with a simple application. There are 8 washing program modes. The Auto mode, the Intensive mode or the Heavy cleaning mode, the Normal mode, the Eco mode, the Glass mode, the 90-minute wash cycle mode, the Rapid mode, the Pre-wash mode. Apart from 8 wash programs, this dishwasher provides you with 3 options to run those programs. For highly soiled items, you can switch to the Power wash function. For completely drying out your dishes, you can go for the extra drying. The Express function reduces the program time and finishes your wash cycle early. Now, cleaning utensils will never ruin your party thrills. This dishwasher from the house of Faber is not just exceptionally good at what it does, but it's beyond beautiful. So, are you ready for those envious glances? So order now. What are you waiting for?